Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering on how to change your pin. Let me say you feel like your pin is now insecure, somebody knows it, or maybe you feel like it's not suitable for you or you just don't like it. So it's simple. On the new Capitec app, you just go to your new Capitec app, and if you're in the new Capitec app, at the top right corner there are three dots, the icon that you can just click, then it gives you options of profile and settings. Just click on settings, and then you can just update remote pin. So firstly, it asks you for your current pin, and then it asks you to give a new pin, and then you just need to confirm again the new pin, and you click update. But in this case I'm not going to update because I still love my pin and I still feel it's secure. So that's how you do it, guys. You just click on update and it automatically changes. So next time when you log into the app, you need to use the new pin. I hope this was helpful, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for your continuous support on my channel. It wouldn't be a success without you guys. Thank you so much.